What if I told you that true wealth often sneaks up on you before you even realize it? No grand announcement, no sudden jackpot, just small, powerful shifts in your actions, mindset, and decisions. Many of today's millionaires started their journey towards wealth through consistent, often unnoticed habits. If these signs are appearing in your life, congratulations. You might already be on the path to wealth, even if your bank account doesn't scream rich yet. By the end, you'll gain a clearer understanding how these signs help you to significant financial gains, empowering you to recognize and amplify your own journey towards financial freedom. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's get started. Number 1. You've stopped worshiping money, but you respect it. Let's talk about two kinds of people. The first group is obsessed with money. They think about it 24/7, chase it desperately, and often make reckless decisions trying to get it quickly. The second group? They respect money but don't let it control their emotions. Which group do you belong to? If you've stopped seeing money as a god and started seeing it as a tool, you're on your way to wealth. People who are obsessed with money often end up broke because they make impulsive decisions. On the other hand, those who respect money make strategic moves. They understand the game of wealth and play it smart. If you've started making calm, rational decisions about money, investing with patience rather than panic, you're moving in the right direction. Number 2. Your money works harder than you do. Remember the days when making money meant trading hours for dollars? If you've started earning money passively through investments, dividends, rental properties, or other assets, congratulations, you're building real wealth. Take Warren Buffett's famous quote, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." If your money is quietly growing without requiring you to clock in extra hours, you're on the right path. The rich don't just earn, they make their money work for them. Focus on building assets that generate income instead of relying solely on active earnings. Number 3. You're more focused on time than money. What's more valuable, $1,000 or 10 free hours in a week? The answer: it depends on how you use those 10 hours. If you're learning how to create passive income, upskilling, or networking, those 10 hours could be worth millions over time. Time is the real currency of life. Broke people trade all their time for money. Wealthy people buy back their time by automating, delegating, and investing. If you've started valuing leverage over just working harder, wealth is quietly creeping into your life. The legendary book The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss highlights this, stating, "People don't want to be millionaires. They want to experience what they believe only millions can buy. And that experience? It's freedom, control over your own time. Start outsourcing low-value tasks, automate your finances, and focus on activities that create passive income." Number 4. You no longer fear recessions or economic downturns. In 2008 and in Corona pandemic, when the market crashed, millions panicked. But those who understood wealth building, they bought stocks, real estate, and businesses at a discount. They know recessions are not roadblocks, they're launch pads. Shift from a scarcity mindset to an opportunity mindset. Study the past. Every economic downturn has created millionaires. Now compare two people. One panics, pulls out of investments, and waits for better days. The other sees the crisis as a sale on wealth-building assets. Who do you think will come out richer when the storm passes? The answer is clear. Wealthy people don't fear economic downturns. They prepare, adapt, and thrive. Number 5. Emergencies. Don't shake you because you're financially bulletproof. If a sudden medical bill, home repair, or car breakdown doesn't push you into panic mode, you're financially ahead of most people. A Federal Reserve study found that 40% of people can't cover a $400 emergency without borrowing. If you're not in that statistic, your financial discipline is paying off. Having a financial buffer means you're not just surviving, you're securing your future. Now compare two people. One faces a crisis and drowns in debt. The other faces the same crisis but stays afloat, unharmed. Who do you think will build long-term wealth? The answer is clear. Financial stability isn't about how much you earn, it's about how well you prepare. Number 6. You're more interested in earning than saving. People obsess over cutting costs but ignore increasing income. They spend hours finding ways to save $10 but never think about how to make an extra $1,000. They stay stuck in survival mode, never breaking out of the cycle of just getting by. If your financial strategy revolves only around budgeting and cutting back, you're playing defense in a game where offense wins. Wealthy people think differently. They prioritize income growth, investments, and high-value skills over extreme frugality. Focuses on earning more, investing wisely, and letting money multiply. Wealth is built by creating more, not by cutting back endlessly. Number 7. You're less impressed by expensive things and more interested in valuable things. Let me ask you something. When you see someone driving a Ferrari, do you think, wow, they must be rich? Or, I wonder how much they actually have in the bank? If it's the second thought, you're evolving financially. They assume luxury means wealth. But here's the reality. 70% of people who buy luxury cars are leasing them with debt. Many are drowning in payments just to look rich. Real wealth isn't in what you buy. It's in what you own. If you've started valuing investments over flashy purchases, you're building quiet wealth. Before making a big purchase, ask yourself, would I still buy this if nobody could see it? If the answer is no, walk away. Number 8. You have a plan for your money, even if it's small now. Most people earn, spend, and repeat without a clear direction. They let money control them instead of taking control of their money. This is why so many remain stuck in a financial loop, wondering why they never get ahead. People assume wealth happens by luck or a sudden big break. The effect? They drift financially, never investing, never saving with purpose, and ultimately never building real wealth. If your money doesn't have a plan, it will disappear faster than you can make it. Wealthy people, on the other hand, treat even small amounts like stepping stones to something bigger. Number 9. You have fewer friends, but they're more valuable. The harsh truth? Not everyone deserves a seat at your table. Wealthy people don't waste time with energy-draining, negative, or financially reckless friends. They surround themselves with people who challenge and inspire them. Ask yourself, are the people around me helping me grow? If not, start upgrading your circle. Compare two people. One has a large social circle but no financial growth, while the other has a small but powerful network pushing them toward success. Who do you think will win in the long run? The answer is clear. Real wealth isn't just about money, it's about the company you keep. Number 10. You're focused on financial freedom, not just retirement. Most people plan to work until they're 65 and hope they have enough saved for retirement. But the wealthy think differently. They aim for financial independence much earlier. If your goal is to build a life where you work because you want to, not because you have to, you're on the right track. Don't just aim for retirement. Aim for financial freedom as soon as possible. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about how you think. If you've shifted from a spending mindset to an investing mindset, from working for money to making money work for you, then wealth is already finding its way to you. Now, here's a challenge for you. Comment below which sign resonates with you the most. And if you found value in this, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Your future self will thank you. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.